Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I did a video a little over 3 years ago and somebody just commented on it today and they were a little bit confused. So I have about moving stuff left and right and top and bottom and evenly. I have an 18-inch circle. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to draw a 16-inch circle. So the distance between there is 1 inch. If you take your parallel dimension tool and go like right there, you see it's 1 inch difference. That wasn't really his question, but I am going to draw now a 1 inch ellipse and go right here and just put 1. My ratio is locked, so it's perfect. Now here was his question. How did I get it like over there, over the bottom? I'm going to hit P as in Peter. I am going to shift select this outside circle and I'm going to hit L. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to grab the duplicate, hold down the shift and grab the outside circle and hit R for right. Now we can make a duplicate, probably be easier, and then hit P, grab with the shift key, grab the outside circle and hit B like in bottom. Control D and make it, we've got to grab the circle. Control D to make a duplicate, holding down the shift key to grab the outside circle and put T like Tom or top. So that's how you can move stuff around. And this is dead on. If you look, you can do whatever colors you want and they will stop because everything's the same exact size. I'm not real happy on that color, but I'm going to go with it. So if we fill these in and we select everything and we right click no outline, you have individually done that and every one of them will be perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.